I think a workplace should not be only a place where you go, where you work for 9 hours, you complete your task and you come back home, and end of the month you get your smart salary package. So for me, I think a workplace is a place where you go every day, you spend half of your life over there. A workplace or a company should give the opportunity to their employees to learn, to share their idea, to do the fun at work. Also, the company should give you the opportunity to grow in your career. It should give you a good experience. It should give you a good working environment. It should give you a healthy working environment, because only getting the salary cannot be a satisfactory thing until and unless you will not get the opportunities, until and unless you will not get the right working environment. So for you, I got the opportunity where you will be getting a chance to learn, you will be getting a chance to share your ideas. So hey guys, this is Sheetal and I welcome you all on my channel Sheetal Rudraksh, and in today's video we'll be sharing the profiles of Capgemini. Capgemini is hiring, and I got 2 profiles for you. So these will be different profiles, and I hope that you guys will like this video. And also I have a request guys, that this is a very new channel and I would need your support. So if you think that I'm creating a right content for you, please hit a like button or leave a comment, or if you want me to add on something in the channel, add on something into content, so please do let me know in the comment box, so I will be aware of it, that what kind of thing, what kind of content you are looking for. So now let's get started and let's discuss about the profiles. So here the first profile which is available, this is for the service desk engineer. So Capgemini is hiring for the service desk engineer profile, and where you will be dealing with the customer. So here basically you will be handling the customer issues, you will be doing the troubleshooting, and you will be providing the support to the customers on their technical issues. And this is a hybrid profile guys, where you will be going to the office for some of the days, and some of the days you will be working from home. And if you talk about the salary package, so they are paying up to 5 lakh rupees per annum. So if you will calculate into the monthly salary package, you will get approximate up to 41,000 monthly if you will be selected for this service desk engineer profile. And if we will talk about the eligibility criteria for this particular profile, so they are looking people who should have at least 6 months of experience into the customer handling, into the customer support. So if you have at least 6 months of experience, you can apply for this job, and the profile will be 5 days working. Shift timing will be 24/7. So you have to be comfortable with day and night both the shift. And if we will talk about the educational qualification, so degree and diploma both the candidates can apply. So if you have done BCA, or you have done BTech, or you have done diploma in IT, you can apply for this job. So if you are starting your career, if you're looking out for a good opportunity, if you're looking out for a good company, so this profile can be helpful for you. You can apply for this profile, and this profile is available for the Delhi NCR. So people who are staying in Delhi NCR, they can apply for this. We have another profile which is with Capgemini only. So I'll take you to my computer screen and we'll be discussing about the second profile over there. So guys, second profile is available for the software engineer. So if you are looking for the opportunity for software engineering, you can apply for this role. And the secondary skills which they required is test architect, JavaScript, Python, Selenium and Squish. Basically you will be defining the test strategy and roadmap, you will be defining the test quality gates, and you will be identifying the automation toolset and driving POC and adoption. So this profile is about roll out the test initiatives, and this profile is available for the Bangalore location. So if you will see here, they have mentioned that they need the experienced candidate. Basically they have not mentioned about it that how much of experience they need, but they need experienced candidates. So you should have little bit of experience into software engineering. So there are 2 profiles which are available with the Capgemini. Now you can see here that Capgemini is a very big company, and approximate 3,40,000 employees are already working with this company, and it has presence into the 50 countries. So as I was discussing about the company's working environment, so they have also mentioned about their company working environment. Here you can share your knowledge, you can share your ideas, and lots of opportunities you will be getting here. So guys, if you are really serious about your career and really looking for a good opportunity, of course you can go for Capgemini, because Capgemini is one of the biggest company, and it will definitely give you a good hike in your career, a good start in your career, or a good kick in your career. So if you are eligible, please do apply for the profile. Now let's talk about the application process. So I am giving you 2 links in the description box because I have shared 2 profiles with you. So you can directly go on the link and you will see the apply button there. Directly you can apply from there. Also guys, I have a request. Please do share this video with your friend circle, with your relatives also. So if they are also looking for the change, they can also take the benefit from the channel. And guys, I hope that I've covered the maximum details in this video. I have given you enough information, but still if you have any question, any doubt, any query, you can ask me in the comment box. I'll be really happy to help you out. I'll see you soon with a new and informative video. Till then, take care and keep supporting.